26. Say, our Lord will gather us together, then he will judge between us with the truth, for he is all knowing judge. 27. Say, show me those idols you have joined with him as partners. No, in fact, he alone is Allah, the Almighty, All-Wise. 28. We have sent you, O Prophet, only as a deliverer of good news and a warner to all humanity. Most people do not know. 29. And they ask the believers, when will this threat come to pass? If what you say is true. 30. Say, O Prophet, a day has already been appointed for you, which you can neither delay nor advance by a single moment. 31. The disbelievers vow, we will never believe in this Quran, nor in those scriptures before it. If only you could see, the wrongdoers will be detained before their Lord, throwing blame at each other. The lowly followers will say to the arrogant leaders, had it not been for you, we would certainly have been believers. 32. The arrogant will respond to the lowly, did we ever hinder you from guidance after it came to you? In fact, you were wicked on your own. 33. The lowly will say to the arrogant, no, it was your plotting by day and night when you ordered us to disbelieve in Allah and to set up equals with Him. They will all hide their remorse when they see the torment, and we will put shackles around their necks of the disbelievers. Will they be rewarded except for what they used to do? 34. Whenever we send a warner to a society, its elites would say, we truly reject what you have been sent with. 35. Adding, we are far superior to the believers in wealth and children, and we will never be punished. 36. Say, O Prophet, surely it is my Lord who gives abundant or limited provisions to whoever He wills, but most people do not know. 37. It is not your wealth or children that bring you closer to us, but those who believe and do good. It is they who will be a multiplied reward for what they did, and they will be secure in the elevated mansions. 38. As for those who strive to discredit our revelations, it is they who will be confined in punishment. 39. Say, O Prophet, surely it is my Lord who gives abundant or limited provisions to whoever He wills of His servants, and whatever you spend in charity, He will compensate you for it, for He is the best provider. 40. and consider the day he will gather them all together, and then ask the angels, was it you that these polytheists used to worship? 41. They will say, glory be to you. Our loyalty is to you, not them. In fact, they only followed the temptation of evil jinn, in whom most of them had faith. 42. So, today neither you can benefit or protect each other, and we will say to the wrongdoers, taste the torment of the fire, which you used to deny. 43. When our clear revelations are recited to them, they say, this is only a man who wishes to hinder you from what your forefathers used to worship. They also say, this Quran is no more than a fabricated lie. And the disbelievers say of the truth, when it has come to them, this is nothing but pure magic. 44. They say, so even though we had never given them any scriptures to study, nor did we ever send them a warner before you, O Prophet. 45. Those who destroyed before them denied as well, and the Meccans have not attained even 1/10 of what we had given their predecessors. Yet, when they denied my messengers, how severe was my response? 45. Say, O Prophet, I advise you to do only one thing. Stand up for the sake of Allah individually or in pairs, then reflect. Your fellow man is not insane. He is only a warner to you before the coming of severe punishment. 47. Say, if I had ever asked you for a reward, you could keep it. My reward is only from Allah, and He is a witness over all things. 48. Say, surely my Lord holds the truth against falsehood. He is the knower of all unseen. 49. Say, the truth has come, and the falsehood will vanish, never to return. 50. Say, if I am astray, the loss is mine, and if I am guided, it is only because of what my Lord reveals to me. He is indeed all-hearing, ever wise, ever near. 51. If only you could see when they will be horrified with no escape on the judgment day, and they will be seized from a nearby place. 52. They will then cry, we do now believe in all, but how could they possibly attain faith from a peace so far off from the world? 53. While they had already rejected it before, guessing blindly from a place equally far away from the hereafter. 54. They will be sealed off from whatever they desire, as was done to their counterparts before. Indeed, they were all in alarming doubt. ये ख़त्म हो गया चैप्टर 34 साबा, इसका मतलब था साहिबा।